Hey there, and welcome back to the Nail Chronicle. This week I'm featuring my second design as part of my Glamour series. I'm not sure exactly how many designs I'm going to do as part of this series, but I think at this stage it'll probably be about 4. So I've still got 2 more to go at least, and I'll probably add to it throughout the next year or so as I think of more designs. So this one I decided to go with the black as the base, and I really didn't have much of a design in my head, other than that I just wanted to do something a little bit different and not do the pinks and the light blues. So I started out with the OPI, I'll put that over it's OPI black nail polish. It's a pretty sheer polish, so it's not my favorite black, but for this it actually works out really well, and once you put the second coat on, it's not too bad. It's just a shame because I would expect a black polish to have a bit more depth in the color for it. So I then started to experiment with a glitter polish that I've got from Nails Inc, and it's a really dense glitter polish, and what I mean by that is it is filled to the brim with glitter. And I was curious whether it would actually stamp, because I've had it for a while, so the polish itself has actually thickened up quite a bit, and it was thick to begin with, so I thought I'd give it a go, and it actually worked. So I decided to use that as my polish and stamp on some different patterns. So this is what I'm doing here, and you would have seen earlier I used the lint roller to clean off the stamper itself. It's the best way to clean it. Please don't use acetone or nail polish remover on your stampers, it will destroy them, unless you've got the really rubbery ones. These silicone ones, it will just eat through it. I've learned that mistake the hard way. So then for my accent nail, I decided to do a complete glitter nail. One thing I do regret is not putting on a peel off base coat before I put the glitter on, and that's just, I didn't have the design in mind. I didn't think I was going to do a full glitter nail. However, I'll link a video to one of my Instagram videos where I show you how to actually remove glitter polish if you've done this mistake that I've just completed here, or you don't have peel off base coat. So I hope you enjoyed this design and you found some inspiration from it. Let me know in the comments what you think and whether you would do a black glamour nail. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next week. Thank you. Bye.